Ever pondered about the health benefits of fennel? Well, prepare to be amazed. Fennel, with its distinct licorice-like flavor, is not just a flavorful addition to your meals, but a powerhouse of health benefits. It aids in digestion, assists in weight management, and boasts antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, it's a heart-friendly herb that supports bone health, boosts immunity, freshens breath, provides menstrual relief, and even promotes eye health. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these benefits. First off, let's explore how fennel supports digestive health and weight management. Fennel is a fiber powerhouse, aiding digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and fending off constipation. It's also packed with compounds that soothe the digestive tract, reducing bloating and discomfort. But the benefits don't stop there. Fennel's low-calorie profile and high fiber content make it a star player in weight management. The fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. So, for those seeking a healthier gut or weight management, fennel could be your new best friend. Fennel isn't just about digestion and weight management. Ever heard about its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties? Packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, fennel can shield your cells from the wear and tear caused by free radicals. This not only helps in warding off chronic diseases, but also puts a brake on the aging process. And it doesn't stop there. Fennel is rich in compounds like anethole and rutin that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, proving beneficial for conditions like arthritis. With fennel, you can protect your cells and soothe inflammation. But wait, there's more. Fennel also supports heart health, bone health, and more. This aromatic herb is a powerhouse of potassium, vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure and regulating heart rate. It's also a good source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all crucial for strong, healthy bones. And that's not all. Fennel also boosts your immunity, freshens your breath, provides menstrual relief, and supports eye health. With fennel, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, but also a bunch of health benefits. So let's recap the health benefits of this flavorful herb. Fennel, with its unique licorice-like flavor, is a powerhouse of nutrition that can boost your health in multiple ways. It promotes digestive health, aiding in regular bowel movements and alleviating bloating. It's a friend to those on a weight loss journey, being low in calories and high in fiber. The antioxidant properties found in fennel protect your cells from damage, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases and slowing down the aging process. Anti-inflammatory compounds found in fennel can help alleviate conditions like arthritis, while its potassium content works to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Fennel also supports bone health, boosts the immune system, freshens breath, and even offers relief from menstrual discomfort. And let's not forget about the benefits to eye health. By incorporating fennel into your diet, you're embracing a flavorful and healthful addition to your wellness routine. Remember, a flavorful journey to health could be just a fennel seed away.